In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your iCloud photos sync faster. So if you're trying to sync all of your photos to your iCloud and it's taking forever to sync them, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to speed up this process. Now, the first thing you want to do is just open up the settings application on your iPhone, and then we're going to scroll down and select battery and make sure that low power mode is turned off and disabled like this. And then we're going to come back over to the settings page, scroll down and click on display and brightness, scroll down to where it says auto lock and click on this and make sure this is set to never. Once you've done this, come back over to the main settings page, scroll all the way to the top and click on your profile name, select iCloud, click on photos, make sure sync this iPhone is turned on and enabled, make sure obviously optimize iPhone storage is also turned on, and then what you want to do is plug your iPhone into your computer and just leave it on this page. Now what this will do is not necessarily speed up the syncing, but it will stop other background applications from basically interfering or consuming valuable resources and therefore making this syncing process a lot faster. So it's still going to take a lot of time to sync all of your photos to your iCloud, but if you do leave it on the screen here, it definitely speeds up the process. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.